Hola, bienvenidos a Punta del Este, Uruguay. Today we are in Uruguay and this is our second time in the country. It is an absolutely beautiful day. It's 75 degrees and sunny, a little bit of a breeze. We just came from that marina over there and we are going to be exploring the city. I'm very excited to share it with you guys. We have some really interesting things coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. Welcome to Abroad That Travels. I'm Emma, and I live on a cruise ship and travel the world with my partner full-time. Follow along to see where we'll end up next. This is a beautiful city. Look at this. Oh my gosh. These beautiful buildings and the palm trees. It's nice and quiet because it's like 9 a.m. So far, I am very impressed. Yeah, this is just absolutely pleasant. I love this little sign right here. How cute is that? Adorable. Look where we are! It's the fingers! I love this, everyone getting on the fingers. We're about to be one of those people. Alright, everyone's going for their picture. Us included.
When we got to the fingers, it was extremely crowded and a bus had just pulled up of people who wanted to just take pictures at the fingers. As you can tell from this picture, it was kind of an interesting interaction. I had this lady that was insistent I get out of her picture, but there were so many people there, it was impossible to get a picture with just the fingers. But that's tourism. You don't always get the perfect shot. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't. You just have to roll with the punches.
Really nice. We could surf some waves if you want. Wow. Beautiful beach. Igualmente. All right, we're headed into this lovely looking casino. Look at this. Beautiful. I don't know if they'll let me film in there, but we'll see. This is a beautiful day. Absolutely stunning here in Punta del Este. There's our ship all the way out there. We had about a 30-40 minute tender boat ride. Makes sense? So we just went in the casino. It was really nice. And then look, when you walk out, that's your view. It's so pretty here. It's amazing. I love this view. And that casino is super, super fancy, super cool. And we're gonna keep walking and see what else we find. It's been a day of seeing some really beautiful things so far, and I hope you're enjoying it. If you've ever been to Uruguay before, let me know where you went and what you did, and if you have any suggestions for somebody who's just newly exploring the country. So here's a nice shot. That's where we came from, a cruise ship. There's this beautiful beach we happened upon. That's where we came in from our tender, and so we walked all the way around to here. pretty is that? I can't believe all the beautiful flowers. Look at the hibiscus. It's so vibrant. Tropical. Ah, they're so pretty. There's so many flowers in bloom here. I love it. We have an orange one here. So many different varieties and just 10 feet of each other. This is so cool. Alright, I found my house. I like this one. Oh, like a beach cottage. Cottagecore, hashtag cottagecore. With this whale fin, I mean, look at that view. It's very windy, so I hope you can hear me, but this is our next stop, this lovely lookout point on the beach, right off of La Rambla, and to see this huge flag of Uruguay. This thing is actually massive. Huge. Wow. Oh, these are like little games. It looks like it at least. Yeah, that's Next up is this lovely lighthouse. Just a short jaunt from the beach. We are really admiring all the architecture here, and the buildings are very simple, clean lines, but in some way they're just intricate at the same time. Really enjoying looking at all of this beauty here. I said that right? Right across from the lighthouse. Having an absolutely splendid walk around this picturesque area. Wow, look at this. These people are like out having a picnic on these rocks on a cement table in the middle of the water. This guy's starfishing, getting some sun. This is amazing. So we're walking around this Rambla here. And the Punta del Este Rambla versus the one that we walked on in Montevideo, it just feels much nicer, feels safer. I think it's scenically like a nicer view. And it just seems to be a little bit more enjoyable. The Rambla in Montevideo seemed a little rough. But this is like absolutely picturesque here. It's incredibly pleasant, and we are really enjoying our walk. walked by and noticed that there were a ton of birds here, so we just saw this sign and it identifies all the birds. And I noticed I saw a lot of those asperos, or they probably say ostero. You see like the radish beak. I see a bunch of those kind of picking in the shells right there. Oh my gosh, a ton of those. And definitely some of this one. You know, my degree was in chemistry, not in environmental science. So like, they're pretty, aren't they? Look at the sea lions. They're just waiting in the water. I'm guessing people are cutting up fish and they're just dropping scraps for them. Ah! Oh my god!
I'd be like, okay.
Dude, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh my gosh! These huge sea lions are trying to get, I think they're cutting up fish there. They're trying to get some scraps. That is so crazy. Oh my gosh, they're just like opening their mouths waiting. OMG. This thing is massive. Kale. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Oh my god.
Asegure, dale tranquila. Acércate, sin miedo. Dale, dale, dale sin miedo.
That's crazy. What? We were just walking by and we saw something in the water, and it's these sea lions waiting for scraps. People are like going up to them and feeding them. We just watched a talk about sea lions and seals and how you should not get that close to them. I hope nothing bad happens, but it's kind of crazy to have an encounter like this. But you gotta remember, they're wild animals. You never know what can happen.
Most closely related to bears.
Bears, hundreds of pounds.
Those seagulls aren't scared though.
No, they're not.
They're like, I want that fish on your back.
It is really cool to see.
Yeah.
The smell is
Go for it.
incredible.
The fish off the back. See the sea lion cares. He's like, that's my fish. Saving that for later. A little lunchable.
Dude. Oh my god, all these birds too. Thank you for following along on our walk exploring Punta del Este today. We really enjoyed it and we thought it was an absolutely beautiful city, sunny, and everyone was so nice and we just really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and this is the end of our South America adventure pretty much. I'm kind of sad, but really looking forward to going home for 2 weeks, and then we're back on the cruise ships. We're gonna be living on the cruise ships most of the year next year. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna be in the Caribbean for months, and then we're going to Asia for the first time. We're going to Asia. Then we're going to Europe, so you better stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you wanna follow along and see more content like this. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next port. Bye!